Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoyed the weekend with the FIFA finals. Finally it is Argentina, right? So before going into the markets, if you have been following us, I told in my last video that markets are likely to consolidate in spite of US market falling down. We saw Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq steeply falling. In fact, Dow Jones at one point of the time was falling more than 600, 750 points. We'll talk about that later, but before that, I will tell you something about the forum in our channel. See, what do you think? Do you think I am creating a YouTube channel? Do you think I am trying to grow this YouTube channel? And I can tell you certainly I am not trying to grow this YouTube channel. In fact, let me say you, I haven't made money in social media at all. Last 2 months I haven't got any monetization benefits from YouTube. That is because views are very less, right? And if you ask me why views are very less, because we don't do fancy thing, we don't sell dreams, right? We don't sell dreams, we don't show wealthy, good ambience, very costly ambience, we don't show cars, expensive cars. We don't do anything at all, right? So this setup, if you ask me how much this cost, maybe less than 15k or maybe 10k only. So that is how we are trying to give you some good ambience, right? So we are not selling you dreams, but we are selling the fact. That is the reason why this YouTube channel, it is growing. I'm not saying it is not growing. It is growing, but it is growing sustainably. It is growing very slowly. Slow growth is not a problem, right? So why we are doing all this is because we are trying to build an ecosystem where you can get things done, right? So we have a forum in our website. I'll take you to the website where you can, let's say you have a doubt about any trades, or if you want to create a post, or you have any queries regarding options trading or stock market, you can just go to our optionsense.com forum, trades and adjustment. You create a post and you have to select category as trading ideas, and you can write a post here. And of course you can upload pictures, you can upload videos, you can create a poll, and you can do many things, and you can share this post to many people in Twitter or any social media platform. And the good part is more than 500 plus members have registered in our website. So when you create a post, all these members are going to react to your post, they are going to answer your post, they are going to answer your queries, right? So not only do we have Telegram group, of course we have a Telegram group, but the downside in Telegram group is we have a discussion group where you cannot categorize, right? Maybe we are talking about some topic, in between someone will come and talk about some other topic. So it is very hard to categorize in Telegram, but here everything is very lean. If someone has to comment, they are going to comment in your post only. So and if they have to comment in other thing also, that post, they have to go to that post and they have to comment it there. So it is going to be categorized. That's what we are trying to do. We are trying to give you an ecosystem where you can learn things free of cost. You don't feel shy. In case you feel shy also, or if you are hesitant, just write to us, optionsense@gmail.com. We'll be more than happy to post whatever you think on behalf of yourself, right? So all you have to do is just you have to post it, or you have to maybe mail us, right? We'll do on behalf of you. So we are trying to create an ecosystem. We are not trying to sell any dreams, right? We are not trying to sell any dreams. You just post your queries, someone or other will obviously come and answer your queries, so you can learn, you can gather knowledge. We are here to help each other. That is what we have been trying to do a fraternity. We are trying to build a fraternity option trading ecosystem so that we can help each other and we can benefit, we'll have a mutual benefit. So that is a very, very small objective. So I'll leave the link in the description below. If you want, you can do whatever you want. You can try with a small post, but what is going to happen, I'll tell you, nobody is going to post anything because everybody is behind. Even though I say this thing, everyone is behind fat profits. So everyone wants to make quick money, right? They are not interested in making, actually I'll tell you, big money is made slowly and steadily, right? But what to do? It is very unfortunate. Our social media is so unethical. We are running behind fat profit and we forget what is happening in the background. Everyone wants to make quick money, which is not going to happen, right? Anyway, that is a whole different ball game. We'll discuss about that in a different video. And as for the markets, if you know, day before yesterday I told that markets are likely to consolidate. And the day before yesterday, not previous video, the video which I posted before that, I told markets are likely to consolidate and markets are not going to go below 43,000. Bank Nifty, I'm talking about Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is not going to go below 43,000, right? Because and there are really bad news. If you see, India-Taiwan border issue is going, and even in Parliament there was so much of chaos. 18 parties left Parliament today. They just walked out of Parliament. So Congress was doing a lot of chaos in the Parliament. And in spite of all these issues, and you know what happened to US market last Friday? US market fell. I think Dow Jones fell more than 300 points. S&P Nasdaq fell more than 1%. In spite of all this happening, markets are resilient, and we are used to this kind of market condition for I think 6 to 7 months, right? We are super resilient. We don't want to come down no matter what happened, whether it is RBI interest rate increase or Federal Reserve interest rate increase. We are at the top of the world, right? Every dip is being bought into, and that is what is happening. And that's why I told we are likely to consolidate, and that is what is happening. Bank Nifty doesn't want to go below 43,000 and Nifty doesn't want to go below 18,000 or 18,200. I think, if I'm right, Nifty 18,000, I think kind of the low was around 18. Sorry, this is not, this is Nifty, Nifty doesn't want to go below 18,000, right? So that is what is happening. Every time we touch this level, we are bouncing back. And even though Bank Nifty is at lifetime high, we are seeing Nifty just having a resistance around 18,600 levels. So once that 18,600 levels is taken out, we are likely to go on the higher side. Of course, everything is being factored into coronavirus, China, India, or Russia-Ukraine issue. I think last week they told there was a bombardment in Ukraine by Russia. In spite of all these things happening, still the markets are moving on the higher side. FIIs have sold around 538 crores today, and DIIs have bought around 681 crores. And open interest wise also, I can tell you that aggressive calls are being, puts are being returned at 18,000. So you can understand that 18,000 can act as a good support. Looking at open interest wise, and in terms of Bank Nifty, what I can see is 43,000 is having the highest put option, and 42,400. If you leave 43,000, 42,400, and on the higher side 44,000 is having the highest open interest. So what I can say from this is that markets are likely, Bank Nifty is going to expire between 43,000 to 44,000, and maybe Nifty is going to expire between 18,000 to 18,600 for this expiry. So this is what I expect. I may go wrong, but this is how we have planned our trade. What we did is we did a strangle today, not strangle, we did a straddle today, straddle on Friday, and market was slightly moving higher and lower. I think it went a little higher, then we did some adjustment, we extended the range, and eventually today it is in profit thanks to India VIX. It dropped more than I think 2.5% today. That's really a good news. And that's it, nothing much. Let's see how things pan out. And US markets are all in the green. I think in terms of US market, I don't think there is any problem. Maybe we will see a small gap up tomorrow. Apart from that, there is no any negative news. So everything should work fine, and you should be making money if you are doing a non-directional strategy, delta neutral strategy, right? So that's it for today. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.